So today I'm going to be doing a closet clean out. This is so overdue. I have let my closet get extremely messy. I honestly want to get rid of half, if not more. I'm just so over all of these clothes, and I literally can never find an outfit because I don't even know what I have. I don't even know what I have. I can't see. It's just a mess. Okay, this is the closet. I share this closet with my boyfriend. This is his side, and this is my side. Let's just look at my side. So the way I have this organized is I have my shirts on the top and my hoodies, jackets, sweaters on the bottom, and any type of bottom pieces here, right? Well, as you can see, this has become where I put everything, I guess. There's literally so, I don't even know what I own because how, I don't even know, like, it's, so, and I have more stuff here. Oh, and then I have more stuff here. How am I supposed to know what I have when I literally have it hidden? I don't even know what's in there. Oh, and then I have dresses here. This right here are dresses. The shoes aren't that bad. I don't have that many shoes. It's just this. So this is the before of how everything looks. And then at the end of the video, we're gonna put the before and after side by side so that we can really feel accomplished. I honestly feel like the only way to do this properly is to take everything out. Put it in like my living room and sort it out over there. Because if I just like go through it here, like I'm gonna half-ass it if I do it in here. I gotta take everything out. This is literally just what was on that shelf. I'm first gonna go through this because if I bring out everything at once, that's gonna be overwhelming and I'll probably quit. I have a bag right here. This is where all the stuff that I'm gonna get rid of is gonna go, and then whatever I'm keeping, I'll put it in a separate pile. Let's get started. Okay, sweatpants. No, I don't wear these. Other sweatpants. Getting rid of this also. More sweatpants. I'm gonna get rid of them. Yeah, you know, it's... yeah. Okay, these... I just don't think that these are my style anymore. I mean, not that... I don't know. We're gonna get rid of them. Okay, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it. These... kind of hate them. So. These... also kind of hate them. I wore these this morning though, but thinking about it now, I pretty much got rid of all of my comfortable pants that I wear around the house. Honestly, it's fine because I recently got some really comfy leggings from this brand on Amazon. I'm gonna show you now. Hi, so I got some pants and I wanted to show you, try them on camera, give you my thoughts. With me getting rid of a lot of clothes, I knew I was going to be left with basically nothing, so I wanted to have something to wear. So these are going to be my new go-to, like lounging at home, comfortable but still want to look put together kind of type of pants. They are from the brand G for Free and they have a store on Amazon. The first ones are wide leg pants. They have pockets. This is in the color dark gray. I like how the pockets are actual pockets and not little tiny pockets where my phone is like this. My phone actually goes inside. The fabric, super soft, really lightweight, and it's super stretchy but still fitting. I just realized this. So this pocket here has the normal pocket, right? And then it has another tiny little pocket inside the normal pocket, so you could put like coins or your keys or your AirPods. The second pair of pants is kind of similar to the first one. These pants kind of mimic more like dress pants with the pockets and the stitching. So it has this right here as if there was like a zipper, but there's no zipper. The stitching of the pockets is a little more seamless. So these you could definitely dress up if you wanted to. Okay, these next ones are a little different. They're also the wide leg, high-waisted. It doesn't have pockets on the side, but it does have this little pocket here in the back. These last pants are pretty much the same as the first one. The only difference is the waistband, so it has the crisscross waistband, which is my favorite. So I think these are probably my favorite pants out of the 4. It doesn't have the secret pocket like the first one does, but I can still fit my whole phone in here and more if I needed to. So those are the pants that I got. I'm really happy with them. These are perfect for just being at home, lounging at home. If you work from home like I do and you don't want to wear pajamas but you want to feel like you're wearing pajamas. But yeah, those were the pants, and now back to cleaning out my closet. Okay, so I finally finished sorting out everything. This is the yes pile, everything that's on the couch. Also, ignore that pile of clothes. I don't even know. Anyways, this is the yes pile. Everything that's on the couch is what I'm keeping. This is what I'm not. There's stuff in there, and then just everything that's on the floor is bye-bye. So now I'm going to nice and neatly fold everything so that I can put it all back and then take out what's there, bring it here, do the process again. My cat under here, and I just suffocated him with a pile of clothes. I'm going to leave everything over there and go through all of this so that I can like spread everything out and really be able to look at everything without having stuff here interrupting me. Basic top from H&M, yes, I love that shirt. Banana Republic that I just thrifted, which honestly I probably could have left it at the thrift store, but I'm gonna keep it. I really like this. It fits so well. I just wish it was a little bit longer. We're gonna keep it. I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna wear it. This like Skims dupe workout thingy, I use this. I'm gonna keep it. This top, okay, this top is a backless top. I'm getting rid of it. I so badly want it to be this girl, want it to be the turtleneck or whatever. This is a turtleneck, right? But I can't. It gives me anxiety. Like I feel like, you know? And then we have this beautiful, amazing shirt that I'm going to keep for the rest of my life because it's so beautiful and gorgeous. Never going to get rid of it. Going to pass it on to my daughter if I have a daughter. If I don't, then I'm still going to keep it and give it to my granddaughter. Yeah, we're keeping that. This shirt I got from Paxton, and I specifically remember when I was looking at this shirt, my boyfriend told me that I already had a shirt like this, and I went on to explain to him that I, in fact, did not have a shirt like this because the shirt that he was referring to is actually very different, when in fact it's pretty much the same thing. But I just really wanted to buy something because whenever I go shopping, I just really have to buy something. Even if I know I don't 100% like it, I should just listen to my boyfriend more often instead of being stubborn, because Paxton's not cheap. So I spend a good amount of money on this. Whatever, we're gonna get rid of it. I finished going through my shirts. Let's push this back and see how much of a difference. Before it was like up to here, like midway. So let's see. There's no way. Look at all, I could see all of this. Before I could only see like 2 piles of clothes. Oh my god. So all I have left is my sweaters and jackets and my dresses. This, I have to keep this because my dad gave this to me. This we're gonna get rid of. This also gonna get rid of. I forgot that I even had this. Okay, this is not even mine, but I haven't used this in a long time. My boyfriend definitely hasn't used this in a long time. So I'm gonna do us both the favor and get rid of this. Okay, I'm done. Now I'm gonna bring everything in and then we'll see the final result of my closet clean out. The amount of hangers that I have now is insane. Before this, I had 0 hangers. That's why I had so many shirts over here, because I could not hang them up. I can go on a major shopping spree now. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna do that. The fact that I only have 3 piles of pants and I still have all of this space, Ew, that's dusty. Anyways, now I have to bring in the clothes that I still have over there and hang them up. Okay, this is the no pile. This is everything that I'm getting rid of. There's also stuff in there. So this is now what the closet looks like. Wow. This is the after. I'm so proud of myself. So that's going to be the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this gave you motivation to clean out your closet. If it did, let me know. I hope you have a good day. Bye!